Hi, my name is Sebastian Cassard. I'm the project manager for Seymours. We're here at the site at Roseville called Seymours, and we'd like to take you around and show you what's been happening in the last few months. We've been working on the external face of the building. As you can see, the brickwork and the feature facade. In the next couple of months, we'll be working hard on the Seymours building, which is a heritage conservation. We'll also be working on stripping the scaffold and working on the podium, including landscaping works, as well as finishing off more units internally and preparing for defects. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to giving you some further updates in the coming months.